I found some serious disparity depending on the court you go to. And we're going to do several shows about this. As I said, I wrote the Chief Justice, and I know that she's busy and probably couldn't respond to me, and I understand that, but I've given the court a little time to know that we're going to be doing that. And in fact, I even sent the tape that you're going to see, the interview I did with Miss Bonnie Rubenstein, and which will be put on in a few minutes as I explain this. And she may be busy, it's summer and on vacation, but there's questions in there I had, and I know that one is supposed to deal with going through the court system when you have a problem with the system. And the problem I have found, we have a great computer system that tells you, like, if you want to find out what you're supposed to do and you're getting a divorce and child support, you can go on the internet. And I'm going to give you the Internet to Judicial Branch thing that will be there, the website, and it will tell you all the processes that you can do if you have questions about support, if you have questions about visitation rights, and with your child, if you need changes, and it's all neatly done, and it's just, it tells you, you make out this thing, and you do this thing, and you go there, and Child Service is going to help you, and boom, everything's going to be all right, and it's all done in the best interest of the child. Well, I'm going to tell you, from the 3 situations that I have been directly involved with, there's a 4th, but of the 3, only one of them seems to be working out pretty okay, and it's which I will talk at a later date of which court the one is. One seems to be going okay. It seems that the people are really concerned with the lady and they're doing the right thing with her child. The other 2, one of which is Ms. Rubenstein's, which you're going to see, I found that I believe that she has been abused under this system, that her rights to modify the visitation has been taken away from her, and the right to appeal that. And I have never heard of such a thing, and it aggravated me so much that her situation is the thing that moved me to do an investigative situation of the various courts in this state that deal with care and custody of child, because it is in the best interest of the child. Our laws are written down, not only here, Boston has the same law, Arizona has the same law, that Michigan has the same law, that when the courts are dealing with child custody, no matter which parent is right or wrong, as long as there's no violence, no sexual abuse or anything else like that, things are supposed to be done in the best interest of the child, and there should be no separation from the parents as their involvement of the child growing up. And what I found so disturbing in the case that you're going to start to hear about was that her right to appeal a modified decision was taken away. She was supposed to be visiting her child, and the court has interfered and not allowed her to do that. They did not enforce the rules. This is absolutely horrendous and should not have happened. I know that the lady has gone through court. I know that she's accumulated much debt. I know that her issues were in the paper, and her issues over the divorce is not what this is about. Ms. Rubenstein's case has been in the past has been publicized and stuff like that, but that is not what I'm here and this is talking about. This is talking about the relationship of her ability to see her child, who she has basically nearly, I think she's nearly died for. She's been sick over it. She's unable to have contact with her child, and I do not see, and I have investigated this now for, I would say, nearly a year, and do not understand why her original issued court order was not implemented. Her initial court order was that she was to have regular visits with the child and keep on a relationship. And this was not done, and she has appealed this over and over, and they stopped her right to appeal. So I wrote to the Chief Justice, Ms. Chase, God bless you, and she may she may be watching this program right now, and I'm sorry if I offended the court. However, I think the court has made a major mistake. And at the time, this time the child's almost at an age where even if you take this to federal court, which I believe she would win in the federal court, that by the time it takes and everything else like that, the child will be of age to make up his own mind as to what he's going to do. And that tragedy, okay, what I believe the court has done has interfered and has caused a situation where the child is not going to really be able to understand why there was such an interference. And I don't see that in the best interest of the child. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the tape, and you're going to watch the tape, and I'm going to end tonight's show on that note. I'm not going to come back to end my show. I'm not going to do that. The tape will speak for itself, and I will end the show at the end of the tape. And at the end of the tape, you will have the ability to go on different websites to get more information about the court, and even maybe more information about this whole situation. Again, I thank you. I thank you for all the people who've been watching us. And I hope the current shows that are being taped for us on Street Talk, and we are now producing Struggle for Justice, we have people who help in doing that show. We hope that these shows are informative. They're of issues that are happening right now. They're heavy issues. They are not easy issues to deal with in a time when everybody is under such stress and struggle. I say God bless you. Please go on the website, take a look at all the stuff we're doing, and you can email us if you'd like to contact us. If you have an issue yourself that you think should be aired, that nobody is helping you with, we would hope that you would bring it to our attention, and maybe we could do something about it. I have one more thing I want to say. Please look up Michael Moore's stuff. A great advocate on the justice system and the same type of struggles. Michael Moore's website is a terrific website. We hope that people will take a look at his stuff. I am also going to have his website on the end of the show so that you know where you can get in touch with that and see what he's doing. We wish we were as famous as Michael and have been able to do the work that he's done over the years, but we're not. We're just little local yokels, and we hope that we are bringing you the best information we can. I want to thank you again. Take care, and we're going to go to that tape right now. Good evening. This is a Justice Program show we're doing tonight. Normally you get Father Russ Carmichael, and normally you see me on Street Talk. Today we're interviewing Bonnie Rubenstein because I'm doing a I'm doing interviews on parents that